Hi everybody, welcome to today's video. If you're new here, hello, my name is Sarah and today we are going to be doing a clean with me video. I don't know why, but I feel like these videos are just so relaxing and I just love watching them myself, so I thought you guys might enjoy as well. I love watching other people clean and I guess just seeing what kind of tips or things that they do, and it's just fun to get different ideas. First thing that I always use for pretty much everywhere is the Myers cleaner. Since it is a multi-surface spray, I use it on my couches. I do have leather couches, so it's safe for that. I use it on my countertops, which are granite. I use it on my wood table, my bathrooms, everything like that. I have these reusable dishcloths. These are basically like paper towels, but they're reusable. I have the foaming glass cleaner, which I prefer over like Windex and stuff like that. Paper towels, and then I have my baking soda and essential oils. So I will show in this next clip how I make this. So I put baking soda, and then I'll add a few drops in between of lavender, and then basically I just keep doing that and layer it. And then I will take a spoon or like a knife and then I'll stir it and mix it all together. And it doesn't have like such a harsh smell like baking soda usually does. And when you're done cleaning, your house will just smell so fresh and calming like lavender. And you can use whatever kind of essential oils, obviously, but I just love and prefer to use lavender. Then I like to use this for the wood in my kitchen, all my cabinets. This is Method and it is in the scent almond. It smells really good. It smells like cherry. Alright guys, I'm a little embarrassed to even show you my sink looking like this, but as you can see, there's like food, crumbs, just grossness. So this is when I use my baking soda and then I just scrub it, and so that was the before, and here is the after. Here it is. Look at how shiny and beautiful, and it just honestly looks like a whole new sink, and it smells so good. Another thing I go and do is I take out all the towels throughout the house and I make a pile of them. Yes, I'm just gonna pile them on my floor for now because I'm gonna be washing them in a second anyway. This bathroom, you guys, is a disaster. So take out all the towels and wash them. My hair looks ridiculous, but I had to take a break. I had to take Beckham to swimming lessons. So I just got home not too long ago, gave him a bath, fed him, did all the nighttime things. So now I'm gonna finish cleaning, which honestly, I love to clean when Beckham is like asleep, or honestly just when he's not even home, because if I try cleaning and he's home, I feel like he just goes right behind me and makes even more messes. So I wanted to talk about my vacuum here. This is a cordless Dyson vacuum. I've had this for almost a year now and it is the biggest lifesaver. I swear it's a game changer. If you do not have one, you need one. Save up or ask for it for Christmas. Tell your whole entire family that you want one because you will thank me later. Seriously, it makes such a difference. You can go from your tile to your carpet to whatever you have, and you don't have to worry about a dang cord. I do vacuum my house every single day regardless. More of the deep cleaning type stuff I only do you know, like every few days, but I do vacuum my house every day. I also mop my house every other day, and I have the Bissell Crosswave, which is actually in our little hall closet. I'm not gonna get it out or anything, but what that is, it's a cordless mop and vacuum. It sanitizes and really mops and cleans the floor, so I do that every other day. I'm just really OCD about my floors because, I mean, Beckham, having a baby, he drops food and eats it off the floor. He's at the age where he just doesn't understand that that's not okay. But anyway, enough blabbering. I'm gonna clean my bathroom now, our master bathroom, and then I'm going to vacuum our floors. How Sawyer? Pretty girl.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
More thing that I wanted to point out that I do when cleaning is I always wash our pillowcases. So I wash the bedding, all of the bedding, once a week, usually on Saturday or Sunday, whatever day I decide that is the laundry day. But however, I do wash our pillowcases alone, probably 2 to 3 days out of the week I change them, just because I'm super OCD about breaking out and stuff. I try not to wash my hair every single day, so it's really important to keep your pillowcases clean if you don't wash your hair every day. That is it for my cleaning routine for today anyways. I'll do my floors and stuff tomorrow because my Bissell Crosswave machine that I was telling you guys about, it's a little bit loud, and like I said, Beckham is already asleep, so I don't want to wake him up. I'm gonna do a little at-home workout and then I'll take a shower and just kind of relax and get ready for bed. So comment down below if you like videos like this. I know I like to watch cleaning videos. It's just kind of relaxing to me. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, loves.